ChikkiChoo Rhymes.
Hey kids! Are you ready to count? With sparkle and fun, let's shine, twinkle and play with numbers one by one. Watch them bounce, glow and sing. Come along, let's do our sparkly counting thing. Here we go! Here comes number one, shining like the sun. One little monkey swinging in a tree, wiggled his tail and giggled with glee. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, he had so much fun. Here comes his buddy, now there are two on the run. Number two is here, with sparkles far the run. Number two is here, with sparkles far and near. You were to race here, with sparkles far and near. Two silly ducks splashing in the rain, quacking and dancing down the candy lane. Three little duckies go quack, quack, wee! Now it's time for four, twinkling more and more. Four bright balloons flying in the sky, red, blue, yellow, and one zooms by. Say hello to five, jumping in with a dive. Five giggles pop, oops, there they go, floating and laughing in a rainbow show. Six fast cars, nuns on the track, fumes so like a magic track. Vroom, 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 they won't look back. Vroom, 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 fly to heaven. Up fly seven, flying high to heaven. Then comes seven, a shiny blue bus, honking long, beep, beep, follow us. Here comes number eight, spinning like a plate. Eight brave cats go chasing a mouse, tiptoe, tiptoe through the tiny house. Number nine is fine, sparkling in a line. Nine little stars twinkle up high, winking at the moon in the nighttime sky. Now comes 10, let's count again light, again and again. Now comes 10 with a trumpet so loud, ta-da goes the band and the cheer so proud. 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and 10. Let's clap our hands and shout, oh now, hooray!
ChikkiChoo Rhymes.
Come along kids, it's time to play. Let's count some numbers the fun-filled way. From 11 zone up to 20 bright. We'll jump and rhyme with all our might. Here comes 11 stars up in heaven. Here comes 11 stars up in heaven. 11 is 1 and what fun. Number 12 jumps like jingle bell elves. 12 is 1 and 2 just like a shoe. 13 bees buzz, what a busy scene. 13's a team with 1 and 3, dancing like a happy bee. 14 flowers, pink and green. 4 and 1 make 14 bright, glowing like stars in the night. 15 frogs leap so fast, so keen. 15 is 1 and 5, jumping jolly and full of drive. 16 kites soar through the sky so clean. 1 and 6 is 16 strong, singing the cheerful counting song. 17 stars play hide and seek. 17's cool with 1 and 7, floating high up like in heaven. 18 Dean make 18 great, ready to open the counting gate. 18 fish splash, giggle and squeak, ready to open the counting gate. 19 is 1 and 9, so fun, lining up in a funny line. And now comes 20, give a big cheer. 20 is 2 and 0, marching like a numbered hero. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now we numbers 20, hooray! From 11 up to 20, breath malay.
ChikkiChoo Rhymes.
Halloween, Halloween, it's Halloween tonight. On a night when owls go and witches laugh and zoom right through. The moon is big, the stars are bright. It's time for Halloween tonight. Halloween is fun for all. Halloween is fun for all, hooray! Oh! funny cats in pumpkin hats or wizard hats, a pirate, zombie, or a bee, or even walking broccoli. We knock on doors and give a shout, trick or treat, we all call out. Candy rains into our sack, we giggle, munch, and don't look back. A skeleton does disco moves, a monster sings and shakes his hooves, a vampire's teeth fall out. Oh no! He sticks them in with some glue. We jump in leaves and tell ghost tales while chasing friends with pumpkin pails. We're not afraid, okay, just tiny. When pumpkins smile, all glowy, shiny. So laugh and dance, don't scream or run. Halloween is just for fun, with costumes, candy, jokes, and play. Let's scare and giggle all the way and sing a song. Halloween is fun for all. Halloween is fun for all. Hooray! Hooray!
ChikkiChoo Rhymes.
Let's clap and sing, come on, hooray! We're learning all the days today, 7 days in every week. Let's count them out, then take a peek. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday too, Wednesday, Thursday just for you, Friday, Saturday, time to cheer. Then the week starts again right here. Sunday, sunny, rest and play, time to thank Allah and pray. Family fun and cozy hugs, pillow forts and sleepy mugs. Monday's back to school we go, books and bags all in a row. Wake up early, don't be late, new ideas are really great. Tuesday's dancing, letters too, counting 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Sing a song or learn a rhyme, Tuesday's always learning time. Wednesday paints and colors bright, halfway there we're feeling right. Glue and scissors, crafts to make, and giggles from the lunch we bake. Thursday's near the weekend ride, almost there, so open wide. Sing out loud, give a cheer, the weekend fun is getting near. Friday's joy, we shout yippee, time to end the week with glee. One more day, then we can rest, Friday's simply one of the best. Saturday's bikes and bouncing balls, parks and swings and playroom walls. No alarms, just fun and sun, Saturday's for everyone. So sing along and you will see, days of the week are easy as can be. Learn them now and sing each day, the week is fun in every way. Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 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 Sunday.
ChikkiChoo Rhymes.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth before you eat or school your seat. Up and down and around we go, make those pearly white teeth glow. Toothpaste on and brush in hand, like a superhero take a stand. Fight those germs, don't let them stay, chase that morning breath away. Swish and spit, now rinse your face, you're ready to zoom to your learning place. A shining smile, so fresh, so cool, all set to shine in your happy school. Brush, brush, brush your teeth before you eat or school your seat. Up and down and around we go, make those pearly white teeth glow. Toothpaste on and brush in hand, like a superhero take a stand. Fight those germs, don't let them stay, chase that morning breath away. Swish and spit, now rinse your face, you're ready to zoom to your learning place. A shining smile, so fresh, so cool, all set to shine in your happy school.
ChikkiChoo Rhymes.
Look up high after the rain, a magic stripe across the plain. Colors dancing in the sky, waving to us way up